Hello students, today we are going to start business risk. Before that, what we have done about, you can say that trade, commerce, about aids to trade. But here we will see business risk. What is business risk? That if you are doing any business, the risk cannot be segregated, means separated. If a particular person is doing the business, then he will have to suffer the risk. Risk means here you can tell loss. So we will see here what is business risk, a definition which is being given by B.O. Wheeler. Business risk means possibility of some occurrence which might leads to some loss for the business. Means what you can tell that it is a possibility, it is not sure that it will happen, that risk will happen, okay, and might lead to loss, and it can be the loss. Like for example, if you have invested 10,000, so it is not fixed that you will get some profit like 15,000. 10 is your amount and 5,000 you have got the profit. It is not sure. It can be also a loss. Like if you have invested 10, you can get 9 in return. So that is only the business risk which cannot be removed while you are doing the business. For example, you will see that if there is an earthquake, flood, that is a natural disaster, and due to that the destruction will be there, and if there is destruction, it means what? It means the risk is there and there will be the loss. Okay, next comes is common business risk. What are some common business risk? Here first one is non-availability of raw material. If you are running a factory and certainly it is not sure that you will get the raw material to produce the product, okay, so this is the first risk. And power cut, if the power supply is not there, so at that time also your machines will not be able to run. Next comes is sudden change in demand of product. If a particular new company has came and it is providing good products at less price, so people will stop buying the old product. At that time what will happen? The demand for the old product will also decrease. Third comes is breakdown in heavy machines. If for example machines are there, so certainly there will be some parts which are not working smoothly. At that time you have to stop your machines, and due to that the loss will be there, and it is a risk only. Risk means in short you can tell loss. Next comes is injury or death due to an accident of a labor. Injury or death means when a person is running a machine, at that time what has happened, at that time he got stuck in the machine, so that is also a risk. Next comes is loss of assets due to fire. The fire caught in the factory or in the shop, so that is also what a risk. Theft, etc. Sixth one is sudden change in government rules like GST. Day by day new taxes are coming, some are being removed. Due to that also the risk is there. If for example if you are unable to pay the tax, it means it will be a risk, or it will be a loss for you. And regulation, rules and regulation. Next is the main point is ability of D product. D here means duplicate product. Day by day people are making the same type of products, so a consumer, means we all, are not able to differentiate that this particular product is a branded product or not a branded product. They are giving at less price and we are happy and we are taking that product. But for every the branded products, a duplicate product is also now coming. Okay, so due to that a risk comes in your business. Next comes are the characteristics of business risk. First one is uncertainty. Uncertainty means what will happen next, we all don't know. If we are going outside, what will happen next, we all don't know. So here also in business, if we are running the business, we don't know that we will get the loss, we will get the profit. Okay, next comes as profit is a reward of business risk. If you are, for example, investing 10 rupees and you are getting 15 rupees, so that 5 rupees will be the profit. Next comes is business risk cannot be eliminated. Can you remove the risk? No, it can't be removed. If loss will come, you have to suffer that loss. If government is taking today GST is 10% and tomorrow if it is 15%, you have to give that particular amount also. So that is what given here, that risk cannot be eliminated. Next one is fourth one, degree of risk depend on nature of business. Now nature of business means if you are having a small business, so you will get small risk, small loss. But if you are having a big business, so you will suffer big loss, more loss. Okay, next comes is risk is an element means part of business. Like car and petrol, if car is there, you have to buy the petrol or you have to buy the diesel. Like that also, if you are running a business, the risk will certainly be there. Okay, next comes is business risk makes a businessman more cautious and vigilant. Means what? If you are a businessman, if you are doing continuously your business, then you will be more careful. Cautious means here more careful, and vigilant means also to be careful. And next comes is that we have came to the end of the chapter. First one, that is nature and purpose of business. So you have to complete all the topics notes in your copy, fair copy. Okay, thank you.